Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I have a package of glitter. This is from Glitter Boutique Canada. I have never ordered from them before, but I've seen some really cute glitter mixes from them. I know Talia's Nail Tales has used them, as well as a couple other nail artists. So I ordered some fall glitters, and I'm excited to see what they are. So we'll go ahead and just dump them out. I already did open it. Okay, here's all of them. So I ordered a lot of like fall type of glitters. Some fallen Halloween glitters. And then I ordered a couple of the UV glitters and then some Chameleon glitters as well. So we'll kind of go through each one. We'll start with the Chameleon glitters. So I got 3 of the Chameleon glitters. They were out of the ones I wanted. I don't remember which one. I think it was a blue to purple and then a different kind of red one, I think, but I got these ones. So this one is Chameleon Green Bronze. So it's kind of bronzy and it shifts to a green. I don't know if you could see that on camera, but I feel like the straight on light is definitely the bronze color, but then you do have some of that green in there. This one is blue and bright green. So bright green, and then you could see it shifts to that blue. So you can see this shift a little bit more. And then this other one I got is purple silver. So we have purple, I guess it's silver straight on. This one almost looks like a mixed glitter versus like a chameleon glitter. So they're all pretty. They are all very different, but they have a lot of chunkies with a little bit of fine glitter in all of them. And I made sure to order the Chameleon glitters because, I mean, they are pretty cool and unique. You don't see these too often, but one of you guys, one of my subscribers, had commented and told me that I needed to check these out, and she thought I would like them, and so I have them in, and hopefully soon I can get some videos up using these in different sets. So thank you for the recommendation. And then I also got 2 of the UV glitters. So these change in UV light, so like outside, like sunlight, so kind of like a mood ring changes. Well, no, mood rings is temperature. So like, more like the Chameleon polishes where, well, I guess these are still thermal. UV is different than thermal? I don't know. Now I just confused myself. But they're supposed to change with UV light. And so I think there were 6 different color options. I got number 1 and number 4. And now I can't remember which ones I ordered. I'm pretty sure I ordered a purple, and then the other one I ordered was either an orange or a pink. But they both look the same here. They're kind of this iridescent clear glitter. But I have my UV lamp over here, so I'm gonna put them in real quick. Ooh, there you could see it. So, purple and orange. Now, they weren't in there that long. I'm going to leave them in there a little bit longer, see if they fully get like opaque, because like the purple was not like as opaque as like this purple glitter. It was still that kind of transparent. So I'm curious to see if it will go completely opaque or if it'll still have just the hint of that purple. Okay, so I let the glitter sit in for like a 2-minute cure. And so there, you can see the pigment a little bit more in them. the purple and the orange. They are super pretty, but they're more on the pastel side. And they're already changing back. They changed so fast back to that like transparent color. These are so different and unique. I've never seen glitters like this. So definitely leave me a comment down below if you want a more in-depth video of how I use these. I'll probably try to do that just because Halloween and such, all the holidays are coming up. I don't know when I'll be able to get that video up, but let me know if you do want that. And we'll go into the Halloween glitters I got. So I got 2 Halloween glitters and then 3 fall glitters. So the Halloween glitters I got, this one is black holographic bats. Like, I had to have them. These were actually the whole reason I put an order with them, is I saw them post these black holographic bats and I said, I need those for Halloween. Yes, please. Thank you. So I went in and made my order. But look how fun those are. They're pretty big, but like if we look at I have pretty like small nail beds. So, I mean, if we kind of fold it over, they do fit sideways on it. But they'll definitely be able to fit a little bit better like on some of my wider nails. Ooh, that would be cute. Just put one like right in the center, like Batman. Ooh, these would be fun to do Batman nails too. Someone remind me to do Batman nails, but I'll definitely use these for Halloween. It comes with so many too, and so something like this is probably like a one-time order. Like, I don't think I'll ever run out of these, so that's pretty cool. I'll have them. You guys will see these reappearing in Halloweens to come. Then the other Halloween glitter I got is Hocus-Pocus. So first off, the name, yes. I love when the glitter names are so cute. If you've seen my unboxing of the Glitter Heaven Australia glitters, you'll know I love the glitter names. But like, doesn't this just scream Halloween? So it's a orange and black glitter mix, and the orange and black are also holographic. So it's just like a Halloween party on your nails. So this will definitely be coming in some Halloween nails soon. And then the last 3 are my fall glitters. This was the second reason I ordered, besides the bats, was these leaf nails, or these leaf glitters. So they had 2 different sets of colors for the leaves. So this is the mix 1. So we have red, silver, and then orange. But like, look how cute these are for fall. I do have one client who is getting these on their nails soon. So if I do her nails before this video goes up, I will put the picture in this video so you can see what they look like. Otherwise, make sure to follow me on my Instagram at amyk.romero. I'll insert it here as well as down below so that way you can see me use these glitters. This one is black cherry, and I love a good purple. So this is like a plum with some black in it. So the plum glitters are definitely a little bit bigger than the black glitters, but so pretty. And like Elegance came out with a color, I believe it's called Nippy. It looks very similar to this, and so I thought it would pair very nicely for some fall nails. So these will probably be coming more towards like Thanksgiving, November time. In case anyone is interested in swatches of the Light Elegance fall collection, I will put a link to that video down below, as well as a link to mine geode nails that I'm wearing. This video will already be up. I used some of the fall colors in this set. So super pretty. I'll put a link to the tutorial down below. And then the last one I got for fall is pumpkin spice, of course. So similar to Hocus-Pocus in that it's like a orange holographic, but then it also has more of a coppery tone to it. So it does not scream Halloween as much. It's closer to a fall type. So this will be so fun to use too. Alright, so here are all of the glitters I got. And so definitely, I mean, I focused on getting Halloween and fall glitters because that's what's coming up. And then I wanted to try out the UV as well as the Chameleon Glitters. So these are super fun and definitely something to use right away. I'm excited to see what other like seasonal glitters they come out with, especially for the holidays coming up. So there'll be Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, all those good holidays. So I'm curious to see what other glitter mixes they come out with. We'll see if I buy some more glitters. I mean, you can't have too much glitter. You can't. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any ideas of what sets to do with these glitters. Otherwise, stay tuned to see what I come up with. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!